Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Driven Vision, your go-to source for military tech insights, for educational purposes only. Today, we're diving into one of Russia's most secretive and ambitious defense projects, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41, also known as the PAC-DP. Touted as the successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound, this next-gen interceptor could change the game in high-altitude and high-speed warfare. Let's break it down, point by point. Small airplane exterior design. From the outside, the MiG-41 carries a futuristic silhouette, possibly inspired by both the MiG-31 and stealth aircraft like the American State Route 72 concept. It's expected to feature a sleek, radar-deflecting airframe, sharp angles, and possibly retractable canards or blended wing surfaces to support hypersonic speeds. The air intakes are likely optimized for ramjet propulsion, while the airframe itself will be built using heat-resistant composite materials to survive speeds over Mach 4. Puzzle piece interior and avionics. Inside the cockpit, while details remain classified, the MiG-41 is expected to be fully digital, integrating glass cockpit systems, eye-assisted controls, and a helmet-mounted display. The aircraft may support both manned and unmanned operation in extreme G-force environments. Advanced avionics will allow real-time data fusion from satellites, ground radar, and other aircraft, making the MiG-41 a flying command and control node. Gear performance. The MiG-41's most staggering promise lies in its performance. Designed to reach a maximum speed of Mach 4 to Mach 4.3, and cruise comfortably at Mach 3, it could outpace most air-to-air threats in existence. Its operational ceiling is expected to be well above 35,000 meters, possibly pushing near space altitudes. With a projected range exceeding 1,500 to 2,000 kilometers, it aims to patrol vast Russian airspace and intercept targets long before they approach strategic assets. Shield safety and survivability features. To operate safely at such extreme speeds and altitudes, the MiG-41 will be equipped with advanced thermal shielding to resist aerodynamic heating, stealth shaping and radar-absorbent materials, redundant flight systems for resilience, and possibly an ejection system rated for hypersonic speeds. If developed unmanned, it would eliminate pilot risk entirely during extreme intercept missions. Pistol weapons and capabilities. The MiG-41 isn't just fast, it's lethal. It's expected to carry long-range air-to-air missiles like the R-37M and future hypersonic interceptors. The MPK-RDP system, which may deploy mini-missiles to take down multiple incoming threats. Anti-satellite weapons, giving it a space denial role. And even future systems like laser weapons or EMP payloads. This makes it capable of intercepting stealth bombers, hypersonic missiles, and possibly even satellites, a first for any fighter. Lightbulb unique selling points. Here's what sets the MiG-41 apart. Mach 4 plus capability. Outpacing every known fighter in the world. Near space operational range, targeting threats even beyond the stratosphere. Unmanned or AI-assisted control for superhuman maneuvering. A potential anti-satellite role in addition to air superiority. Designed for 21st century electronic warfare, integrating cyber and EW defenses. Money bag cost and production outlook. As of 2026, the MiG-41 is still under development, and its unit cost is unknown. Some defense analysts estimate it could exceed $200 million per unit, especially if equipped with exotic propulsion or space defense weapons. Given Russia's financial constraints and ongoing military commitments, the MiG-41's mass production remains uncertain, but it's officially projected for the early to mid-2030s. So, will the MiG-41 become a real hypersonic interceptor, or remain a paper dragon? Only time will tell. But if successful, it could secure Russia's dominance in the skies far beyond traditional dogfighting altitudes. Into the next frontier of space and hypersonic warfare. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video on Driven Vision. Let me know in the comments, would you trust AI to fly a Mach 4 fighter jet? Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and stay tuned.